Broward is in full swing right now. Palm Beach, from what we can see data-wise, Palm Beach is just starting to experience the bad part. As bad as it seemed in Palm Beach, it's starting to get worse. As you look at the numbers, you'll see the day foreclosures are going down. Broward's holding firm, and Palm Beach is starting to increase. And as you look at the pending sales, and you look at the available properties, Dade's going down, Broward's starting to slow down, and Palm Beach is going up. So it's kind of a progression. A year ago, we couldn't get anybody to go up to West Palm to take a look at a bulk deal. Now, we bring it to their attention, now they'll see it. So, you know, the market's sort of changing. It all sort of starts and ends with Miami, and then from there, people kind of go out and you price it out. I would tell you as kind of a rule of thumb, or at least some kind of guidance, we see downtown Miami shaking out at about $350 a foot, new construction. Fort Lauderdale is probably about $275, and we're projecting $225 a foot in downtown West Palm Beach. So just to kind of give you a gauge, kind of where the pricing is, based on all closed sales and everything we've tracked.